Welcome to today's daily message. Tomorrow I'll be presenting on the book of Jonah, the third in the series that I've been giving on the minor prophets. And I'd like to throw out just another tidbit about the book of Jonah that might pique your interest about, wanting to hear more about him. So, over the centuries, there have been many, many different interpretations of the book of Jonah. It's one of the most cryptic books of the Bible, and many commentators have come up with many, many different interpretations. The one that I would like to suggest today has to do with the very first verse of the book. And it says, "The Lord said to Jonah, son of Amittai." So the word that I want to focus on there is the very name, Jonah, which in Hebrew is Yonah. And that name, Yonah, actually translates as dove. And why I bring that up is because the word dove in the Old Testament is a word that evokes the image of one who is the beloved. So if you look in the Song of Songs, a different book in the Old Testament, it says this: "My dove, hiding in the clefts of the rock, in the coverts of the cliff, show me your face. Let me hear your voice, for your voice is sweet, and your face is beautiful." And again from the Song of Songs, "I sleep, but my heart is awake. I hear my beloved knocking. Open to me, my sister, my love, my dove, my perfect one." And again, "There are 60 queens and 80 concubines and countless maidens. But my dove is unique, mine, unique and perfect." And so what does that mean? This implies something I think which is very interesting about the book of Jonah. If you translate Yonah as the dove or as the beloved, then the book of Jonah is a love dialogue between God and Jonah, his beloved. There's more to say about that. I'll save it for tomorrow. I hope you can join us either at 9:30 a.m. or 7 p.m. as we discuss the book of Jonah. Thank you. Have a great day.